ちは。
こんにちは。
なにです。
マニです。文法語へようこそ。文法語では教科書通りではなく本当に使える日本語を勉強します。
Okay, today's grammar point is JLPT N... Oh no, wait, hold on. I need to talk about something very important. The JLPT results just came out.
How was that?
So we're back on to N5 grammar. I think this is where I'm supposed to be after the results came out. And today's theme is...
Hi.
So I think one of the most important things you want to say when you learn a language is I want to do something. So when I first learned shitai or ikitai, that kind of conjugation into Thai, I was so excited to express what I wanted to do. But then I read somewhere that it's kind of childish and can be a bit rude if you just keep saying, I want to do this, I want to do this. How can you say, I want to do something without sounding like a 5-year-old child?
Oh, that's kind of a difficult question. Because it's always depend on the context. For example, even in the business situation, sometimes you can say, ここに行きたいです。It's perfect. There is no grammatical mistake. But in some cases, you have to, maybe it's better for you to put と思います。It sounds more polite. 私はどこどこに行きたいと思います。
It softens it.
Soften, yeah. But it doesn't mean like you have to always put と思います, right? So like, for example, you will both say, oh, can we go to this restaurant? 行きたいと思います。that's alright, but like, you can also say, you can just say, 行きたいです。It's okay,
So okay, when you're agreeing with someone like, yeah, ikitai, that's kind of like excited, like, yeah, I want to go. But if, let's say you're in a group of people you've just met, you don't really know them very well, and you're kind of deciding where to go, if you say like, oh, イタリア料理さんに行きたいです, it sounds a bit like you're pushing your opinion too much. But in that case, you wouldn't say 行きたいと思います.
Between friends, you can put some suffix. So like, 行きたい, but it sounds a bit blunt and abrupt. But you can say like, レストランに行きたいかな? Maybe. Like it sounds more softer. And like the most important thing in Japanese language, especially in conversation, is directly saying sounds a bit rude. So more roundabout. It's more better. Yeah, that's a tip.
Now, this is the most important thing. How can you say, oh, I want to go to the toilet? Because everything I've ever said has been met with,
yeah, if you say, トイレに行きたいです, everyone may be a bit surprised,
I did
right?
that.
So like there are a couple of expressions which is very useful for you. Like, ちょっとお手洗いに行ってきます.
Okay, so you just say, I'm going to the toilet.
Yeah, but like if you say toilet, it sounds a bit
rough.
Direct. So you can say お手洗い, it's like the place I wash
my hand.
Right?
Right.
Yeah. So ちょっとお手洗いに行ってきます.
Yeah.
It's better.
As soon as you say ちょっとお手洗いに, people are already like, okay. So the moral of the story is, Thai all depends on the context. If someone suggests something to you, you can say, 行きたいです. But if you're making a suggestion, it's better not to be so direct and say like, ちょっと中国料理に行きたいかな
と思いますとか. Yeah.
行きたい。ビールが飲みたいかな。神社に行きたいと思います。